Ever pondered on the depths of despair that Hannah, wife of Elkanah, must have felt because of her barrenness, or the intensity of her longing for a child? Her story, as narrated in the Bible, is one of faith, perseverance, and divine grace. In the hills of Ephraim, there lived a man named Elkanah. He had two wives, Hannah and Peninnah. While Peninnah had children, Hannah, much to her despair, had none. Every year, Elkanah would journey to Shiloh to worship and offer sacrifices to the Lord. And each time, he would give portions of his offering to Peninnah and her children. But to Hannah, he gave a double portion, out of his love for her, despite her barrenness. However, Hannah's life was far from peaceful. Peninnah, her co-wife, would provoke her endlessly, making her feel miserable about her inability to bear children. This constant torment would lead Hannah to weep and abstain from eating. One such year, after they had finished their meal in Shiloh, Hannah, in her profound sorrow, prayed fervently to the Lord. With a heavy heart she made a vow, "O Lord of hosts, if you will indeed look on the affliction of your maidservant and remember me, and not forget your maidservant, but will give your maidservant a male child, then I will give him to the Lord all the days of his life, and no razor shall come upon his head." Eli the priest, who was observing her, mistook her silent prayers for drunkenness. But Hannah clarified that she was simply pouring her soul out before the Lord. Upon hearing this, Eli blessed her, saying, "Go in peace, and the God of Israel grant your petition which you have asked of him." And so Hannah's face was no longer sad. She returned home, and in due time she conceived and bore a son. She named him Samuel, saying, "Because I have asked for him from the Lord." Once Samuel was weaned, Hannah kept her promise to God. She brought her son to the house of the Lord in Shiloh and dedicated him to the Lord's service, where he remained forever, symbolizing her unwavering faith and gratitude. The story of Hannah is not just a tale of longing and fulfillment, it's a testament to the power of prayer, the virtue of patience, and the grace of God. It serves as a reminder that even in the face of despair, maintaining faith can lead to divine blessings. It underscores the significance of vows made to God and the importance of fulfilling them. In the grand narrative of the Bible, this story sets the stage for the prophetic role of Samuel, who becomes one of the most influential figures in Israel's history. Hannah's unwavering faith and her devotion to God, even in the face of adversity, serve as an inspiration for all.